So here we are, we're about to go through the car wash. So get the car nicely shined up and show you what it's all like. See if Amelia still cries.
Yeah, off down Cage Street, Blairstown. Excited, girls? Yeah. Daddy?
Yes. Great advice there. Apply hand bark.
What's that?
So we're next up. There's the car wash. We'll go through in a minute.
Yeah.
About
Promise you
5
won't
minutes,
cry.
depending on.
It used to be really exciting as a kid to go car wash on a Sunday with my dad. Yeah. We're always really excited. I always wanted to wind down the window though.
Yeah, we won't be doing that.
Hot oil. Or wax on you. No, it's just like that kid curiosity. You just want to just do it. But the windows weren't as easy to roll and to pull down like they are now. You have to physically roll them, don't you? When we were kids.
Oh no, he's gonna get sprayed.
Call accepted.
Yeah, I think it is.
Stop.
Oh god.
Oh, well look, here we go. Watch it. Oh, watch this, girls.
Ah, they're coming forward. They're gonna kill us. Ah, it's Voldemort. It's Voldemort.
Yeah. It's Tom.
Feels like something's got wheels clamped there.
Yeah. Oh. Just watching all sides.
And there goes the wing mirrors.
Yeah. All down there. All down back.
That's so cool.
All back at top. Oh, here we go again.
That scared me. Go back in out. It's scared us.
We definitely should have an ass clean car today.
It's coming down. There we go. Oh!
That's getting taken over. Hey, you can see me. Oh, it's frozen.
Yeah, let's see what it does next.
No. Ooh,
Oh,
what is happening?
I don't know.
soap suds being flung everywhere.
Yeah. My car desperately needs this.
Stop it.
Through all bad weather with them recently.
It's
So you're not scared anymore, Amelia?
First time we took her, I remember.
She screamed.
There's no way of doing that.
They're coming back. No, do not come back.
Nope, they're back. That's gone over the top.
Oh, it stopped. I actually screamed. That was scary.
And
Whoa, hello.
they're up. Getting rinsed off as well now. What's next? Boy. And now the giant hairdryer.
Of course they're not stopping. Why would that be so silly?
Here it comes. Yeah. Always looks like it's about to smash your windscreen.
Of course it didn't stop. It's literally wet.
Did I put wax on it?
Yeah, one of those two that it was firing out then was wax,
Wait,
I think.
it's not doing anything.
Let's watch it drain it up.
Oh, yes.
Imagine no more now.
Oh, he would not like this, would he, Noah?
Face on, wouldn't it?
We'll be melting, we'll be able to taste out.
There it goes over the top of the car.
Oh, mine's coming as well.
And if you watch, it'll come down the back in a second, girls. Come bouncing down really quickly. No, yeah, it was the actual wash that you were scared of. Sounds. And then back again. It's a good do. Oh! Oh no! I have no idea.
Maybe that was the arrow.
There we go.
It's silent.
Yeah.
It goes again.
All done.
Hold on.
And there we go. Nice and clean.